go sit on the dry rug and eat cupcakes. Let's go.
Grandpa had to send. Grandpa wrote it.
Thank
Grandpa
you.
sent you a message.
So funny. Look at this little squirrel right behind you. Oh, they're gonna come up to us. It's gonna come over here.
I always think of Caroline
It's gonna steal our food.
visiting. My gosh, you're bold. Her little hair that was stuck in the.
Oh, the
In the
squirrel's
hole.
gonna eat the baby. Watch your cupcake. What the heck? Hold on. Hi. Standing up?
Okay, this ankle watching her crawl.
Isn't it so funny?
So funny. Her little legs.
Good crawling.
She's like little Mowgli.
Yeah.
Little book.
Come here.
And little body.
Oh, over here. Come here. Come here. Come take your bath. Come here. Okay, we're gonna look at her tooth, right? Yeah. Okay. Wait. There it is. Take a picture. Okay. Get in there. Did you get it? Mm-hmm. Good. No.
How long are you going to stay? Yes, hello, I'm back here now. Yeah. And sit down. Yay! Yay! Oh, there she goes again. Oh! Woo! Oh, good work. Good work. Yeah, hello. Okay.
Are you sleeping? Good morning. Are you reading your book? You're 8 months. What are you so sad about? Because you want to get off this chair? Okay. Here, look. Huh? What do you think? Open your mouth. Good bite. Do you like it? You want to try on some dresses? What do you think? Nice outfit. That's a winner. Why are you so mad? Okay, we can finish later.
Are you having a good day? No? Are you ready for a bath? Do you want to go night-night? No? Okay. Did you like Chipotle for dinner? And the ice cream? No? You gonna take Grandma to Farmer's Market tomorrow? Are you the cutest baby ever? Yeah. No. Who's cuter than you? Really? Okay. You like having your helmet off? Yeah. Are you ready to get rid of it? No? It's like a part of you? Oh, okay. You like hanging out with no clothes on? No? Are you embarrassed? Okay. Do you want a puppy? You want a cat? Cats are better, right? No?